Hi everyone, and I hope you are doing so great today. So in this lesson, you are going to learn some new phrases, how to express certainty and uncertainty. But first, let's see the definition or the meaning of these two words, certainty and uncertainty. Actually, when I say I am certain about something, it means I am sure about something, or I am 100% sure about something. That is to say, what I believe in is totally true, which means in Arabic أنا متأكد من, okay, I am sure, or أنا متأكد, which is the opposite of uncertainty, which means I am not sure or I am doubtful. لكتني أنا لست متأكد, I am not really sure. Now let's read some dialogues and identify some expressions that we use to express either certainty or uncertainty. As you can see here, we have a dialogue between Adil and Adam. So Adil says or asks, "Are you sure that our team will win the game today?" Then Adam replies, "I am sure that we will win the game after the hard work we went through." So Adam, he is certain, okay? And how do we know that? So because he says I am sure, and this is one way to express certainty, okay? للتعبير عن التأكد, you could say, for example, I am sure that, which means أنا متأكد من, okay? I am sure that we will win the game. So let's move to the second dialogue. Here we have again two people. We have Sarah and we have Ahmed. So Sarah says, "Do you think that doctors will find a cure to coronavirus this month?" Which means, do you think that doctors, هل تعتقد بأن الأطباء will find a cure, سيجدون علاج, to coronavirus this month, في هذا الشهر? Actually he says, I'm not sure that they will find a cure to this virus. I'm not really sure. So let me ask you a question. Is Ahmed sure that doctors will find a cure to coronavirus? يعني هل أحمد متأكد? No, he's not. And how do we know that? Well, actually he says, I'm not really sure. And this is an expression that people use to express uncertainty. So let's move to the third dialogue. Here again we have two people. We have John and we have Jane. So John says, "Guess what? Adam is going to marry Sarah." And then Jane says, "Really? Are you sure?" And are you sure, this is a question, which means هل أنت متأكد? So he says, "Yes, I am sure about that. أنا متأكد من ذلك. I am sure about that. Sarah told me that yesterday." Wow, that's great. So let me ask you another question. Is John, okay, so is John certain or sure that Sarah or Adam is going to marry Sarah? Is he sure? Yes, he is. And how do we know that? Because he says I am sure about that, and I am sure about that, this is an expression or a phrase that people use to express certainty. Let's suppose someone asked you this question: "Are you sure that the bank is closed today?" Okay, are you sure that the bank is closed today? Which means هل أنت متأكد that the bank is closed today, بأن البنك مغلق اليوم? Well, actually, if you would like to express certainty, you could say, for example, I am sure that. Then you have to complete the meaning, okay? I am sure that أنا متأكد من, or أن, the bank is closed today. Or you could say I am certain that the bank is closed today. Certain and sure, they have the same meaning, عندهم نفس المعنى, which means أنا متأكد, I am certain, or I am sure that. Or you could say it is crystal clear that the bank is closed today. من الواضح جدا أن the bank is closed today. By the way, this expression is used when people would like to write an article or a paragraph. Okay, كيستعملوا بزاف هذه العبارة في كتابة مقال أو فقرة. Or you could say simply definitely, this is an adverb. Definitely I am, or definitely. مثلا, are you sure that the bank is closed today? You could say definitely, حتما, or certainly, بكل تأكيد, or certainly I am, or undoubtedly. By the way, undoubtedly we don't pronounce D, okay? We say undoubtedly, okay? Undoubtedly. We don't pronounce this sound, which is B. ما كنطقش B. Undoubtedly, which means بدون شك. or you could say of course I am or of course. Okay, كتعني بالطبع. If you would like to express uncertainty, يعني بتعبر عن الشك, uncertainty, you could say I'm not sure that the bank is closed today. What do we add? Consider not. Okay, negative. I'm not sure that the bank is closed today. Or you can say I am not certain that the bank is closed today. Or it is possible that the bank is closed today. By the way, possible it means ممكن, and if we say possible it means that we're not really sure. Okay, لسه من الممكن تاني we're not really sure. Or you could say, or you can say I am doubtful about. Doubtful, the noun is doubt, كتعني الشك. Okay, الاسم doubt كتعني الشك. I am doubtful about كان زي اسم مثلا I am doubtful about it. Okay, or I am doubtful about that. Or you could say I am doubtful about the fact that the bank is closed today. Or we could use adverbs مثلا perhaps كتعني ربما, or maybe ربما. Okay, which means we are not or I am not really sure. Perhaps maybe عكس ديال certainly and definitely. And that's it for today, and I wish you best of luck.